Bring, bring. Biology called me at 5:50 this morning. So afterwards, I went and got the GoPro and stuck it out front with a fresh battery at about 6 o'clock. And I let it run to about 8 or 8:10 before I went and retrieved it. It was still going. I had it set on Nightlapse, and this was the GoPro 12, my middle-aged GoPro. And since it's actually broken, I don't remember if it's a preset or if it's the default setting that the GoPro comes with. At any rate, this is real time in Movie Maker. Until right now. I multiplied this last part times 32 to speed it up to be just 1 minute and 15 seconds or so. And this is what a 25-degree sunrise looks like.